Myself Gobinda Goswamee. Our presentation topic is fire alarm indicator using basic logic kits. My group mates are M Yeaser Arafat and Nusrat Jannat. Here is our content list. The first content list was objective, introduction, literature review, required equipment, precautions, simulation, result analysis, conclusion, future scopes, and references. My first topic is objectives. The primary objective of a fire alarm indicator is to serve as a critical component in the broader framework of fire safety, aiming to provide swift and effective alert in the event of a fire or emergency. These indicators, whether visual or audible, play a pivotal role in ensuring the safety of building occupants by offering early warnings that prompt timely responses. By clearly signaling the location of the detected incident, fire alarm indicator assists both occupants and emergency response in identify the effective area swiftly. The next part is introduction. The fire alarm indicator undertaking is designed to create a smooth and powerful furnace detection gadget. The use of normally to be had digital additives. The task mixture of a 555 timer IC and pin transistor, thermistor, resistor, a variable resistor, capacitor, buzzer, and a 9-volt battery to extend a vital furnace alarm system. The device desired to come across modification in temperature due to the presence of a furnace and generator, an audible alarm to alert human close by. The next part is literature review. Numerous fireplace detection and alarm system exist, ranging from simple smoke detectors to superior IoT-based solutions. The utilization of a thermistor for temperature sensing is common in hair detection structure because of its sensitivity to temperature changes. The 555 timer IC is a broadly used included circuit in electronic project for generating correcting time delays or oscillations. NPN transistors are regularly used for sign amplifications and managed purposes. The next part will continue. M Yeaser Arafat.
Thanks, Gobinda Goswamee, for my opportunity. My first topic is required equipments. Number one, we use the NPN transistor, 555 timer, thermistor, resistor, variable resistor, capacitor, buzzer, and 9-volt battery. Point is handle electronic components with a care to avoid damage, ensure proper connection to prevent short circuit, avoid overheated components during soldering, use components resistor values to set the disaster sensitivity and household. This is the first simulation before running. Here we use 5 resistor. They are R1 equals to 100 ohms, R2 equals to 1 ohms, R6 equals to 4.7 ohm, and R5 equals to 4.7 ohm, and R4 we also use 4.7 kilo ohm. Here also use potentiometer. This potential meter is also used 10 kilo ohm, and also use thermal noise. This is a 10 kilo ohm for 27 degrees Celsius. And here we also use the comparators and use the 555 timer, and in the components are positive and negative side. When the positive input is bigger than negative input side, then we found the 1. After the simulation circuit, and when I run the simulation, we shows the graph for my oscilloscope. Here we use the buzzer in the oscilloscope connection, and now finally I found the graph, and here I represent the graph in oscilloscope. This is the after simulation process in my simulations part. The result analysis of a fire alarming indicator system employing basic logic gates involves a systematic evaluations of the logical operators. Governing included AND or and NOT gates play a circuit role in shaping the gate. The integration of multiple sensors ensures that the specific conditions, such as simulation smoke and heat indicator, trigger than the fire alarm indicator or gates contribute to redundancy and allowing the system to respond even if one sensor fails within a zone. NOT gates serve a verification function confirming mutual and activations of sensor trigger before initiates the alarm and thereby reducing the likelihood of false alarm. Next part continue Nusrat Jahan.
Thank you, Yeaser Arafat, for that insightful presentation. I appreciate you for setting the stage so well. Assalamu alaikum. I am Nusrat Jannat. So far my group mate Gobinda and Yeaser have talked about the project we have made of fire alarm indicator using basic logic gates. They have discussed the precautions, simulation, and result. So now I'll be talking about the conclusion. The utilization of basic logic gates in a fire alarm indicator system proves to be a fundamental and effective approach to enhance the reliability, responsiveness, functionality, and overall the fire safety infrastructure. Through the integration of AND gates, the system ensures the multiple sensor input must concurrently meet the specified condition for the alarm to activate, thereby enhance the accuracy in fire detection. Implementation of OR gate introduced redundancy, offering a safeguard against the sensor failures and bolstering the system resilience. NOT gate plays a crucial role in verification, mitigating the risk of false alarm by confirming the legitimacy of manual activation or sensor triggers. So in the next slide, I will be talking about the future scopes. The future scopes of fire alarm indicators utilizing basic logic gates holds a promising developments and enhancements in various areas of functionality, adaptability, and integration. Potential future direction includes: number 1, advanced sensor, integrating AI-enabled detector for more accurate fire detection and fewer false alarms. Number 2, IoT integration, using IoT technology for real-time monitoring, remote management, proactive maintenance, and instant updates. Number 3, enhanced connectivity, improved link with smart building system for seamless communication with safety, security, and emergency response system. Number 4, energy efficiency, integrating energy efficient components to ensure sustainability and reduce power consumption. Number 5, multi-sensor fusion, advancing multi-sensor fusion technique for more accurate fire hazard assessments. In conclusion, the future involves a blend of emerging technologies, increased intelligence, and focus on user experience, creating more effective and adaptable fire safety solutions for diverse environments. Now in the next slide, I would like to acknowledge some valuable references that contributed to the insights shared in this presentation. Number 1, Smith J.A. 2017, Fire Detection and Alarm System, a brief overview, Fire Safety Journal. Number 2, Horowitz P. and Hill W. 2015, The Art of Electronics, Cambridge University Press. Number 3, Van Meierlo L. 2018, Electronics for Dummies. Number 4, Rajavi B. 2016, Design of Analog CMOS Integrated Circuit, McGraw-Hill Education. These references provide a solid foundation for the understanding of concepts discussed today, and I recommend them for those interested in further exploration. So this is now all for our presentation. Thank you for listening our presentation. Goodbye.